Welcome to today's series of lectures. We will be focusing on resumes. Some alternate titles for this could be Marketing 101, Personal Branding, or Self-Marketing. It really is a chance for you to influence an employer's thinking. The goal of your resume is to get an interview so that you in person can show them how you'll be a good fit on their team. It is important to make a good first impression. So having an error-free document, both your cover letter and your resume, can make this happen. It does show them your writing and your communication style. It's important to note that your mother, your uncle, your cousin, your sister's friend should not write your resume, and we're going to have a look at some reasons why. When we look at marketing, there's 3 P's: product, price, and promotion. So it's really important to know your product and who your target market is. For price, how much is it going to cost you to produce the product, and what is your strategy for selling it at a profitable price? How are you going to reach potential buyers and promote your product? When we look at personal branding or self-marketing, it's important to understand what we're talking about. So the actual definition is the process of differentiating yourself and standing out from the crowd by presenting your unique value. This is why it's important to be self-aware. Why we had you do the type focus assessment last week. What can you offer an employer that others can't? What do you bring to the table? Really, when we look at it as far as self-marketing goes, the brand is you. And so how are you going to really communicate your image, your mission, your values, and your vision to employers? I often have students who have a challenge with this. I'm thinking it could be due to a variety of things, such as little relevant work experience. How do you build a resume with little to no work experience? Or it could be a lack of confidence, or just a lack of practice. It is time consuming to go and do this, but it is so valuable.